Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable quick machine recovery settings in Windows 11. Quick machine recovery is a new feature in Windows 11 that allows Microsoft to automatically deploy fixes to your PC through Windows Update. If a widespread boot issue occurs, this helps recover device without manual troubleshooting. Let's see how to enable it. First, click on the start button, then click on settings, then select system in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and click on the recovery option. Now you will find under recovery options quick machine recovery. Click on this one option. Here you will find quick machine recovery toggle switch. Turn it on. Now you will see an option automatically check for solutions. Turn it also on. From the drop down menu of look for solutions, ensure once recommended is selected. Now your device will be allowed to receive targeted recovery fixes from Microsoft. In case of critical startup issues, make sure your device is connected to the internet and Windows Update is enabled, because this feature works through Windows Update services. That's it. Now your Windows 11 PC is prepared to automatically receive recovery updates if a major boot problem happens. This feature is especially useful in enterprise environments, but it can also help regular users stay protected from widespread system failures. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.